Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project ticket booking software. The software is designed using the VB.NET programming language and the SQL server is used for the database. The main purpose of designing this project is to help the conductors to generate ticket to the passengers. The design system will generate the ticket to the passengers. The software will also store the total number of tickets issued by the conductors along with the travel information. The system has got two actors, the admin and the conductor. The admin has the complete authority over the system, whereas the conductor has limited access to the system. The conductors are added by the admin by providing the unique username and the password. The conductors can log into the system by entering the username and the password given by the admin. The admin must add the various places where the vehicle travels. Once the places are added, the traveling charges the passenger has to pay must be entered by the admin. The admin has the authority to update the charges of traveling. The admin can also delete the traveling destinations if the vehicle is not going to travel in those locations. The conductor must select the arrival place of the passengers and the to destination where the passenger wants to travel. On selecting the place, the traveling charge is auto-generated. The conductor can add the number of passengers traveling to that location and can generate the single bill. This bill will be given to the passenger. The admin can view the report of transactions such as the daily reports, the monthly reports, as well as the admin can check with the to and from date, and the admin can check the transactions of each conductors by selecting them. Here the ticket number will be auto generated. Now let us log in as the admin. To log in as the admin, the user type admin must be selected and the username and the password must be entered. By clicking on the button login, the admin will be logged into the software successfully. In the menu master, in the add place, here the various places, that is the from place and the to place, must be added. Along with that, what is the distance from the place to the to place must be entered, and what is the amount that will be charged to travel from place to place must be entered here. By clicking on add, the record will be added successfully and we can view the record here. By selecting the record, the other operations such as update and delete can also be performed. By selecting the record, we can see that all the details will be appearing here and the changes can be made and it can be updated. And also the record can be deleted by selecting on the record, and then by clicking on the delete button, the record will be deleted. Under reports, here the username must be selected and then the from and to place must be selected, and by clicking on search, the search details, that is the ticket details, can be viewed by the admin. Under registration, here the admin can add the admin as well as the conductors, and here the username and the password must be entered for the new registers, that is either for the admin or the conductor. By clicking on add, the new record will be added. Now let us log out from the admin. Now let us log in as the conductor. The user type conductor must be selected and then the username and the password which is provided by the admin must be entered here, and by clicking on login, the conductor will be logged in, and by clicking on ticket, here the conductor can take the ticket by selecting the from place and the to place, and on selecting the from and to place, the distance and the rate will be auto generated, and what are the number of persons going to travel must be entered by the conductor, and the total amount will be auto generated, and this must be saved. By clicking on print, the ticket will be printed with the total balance amount. Now let us exit from the software.